But anyways, let me pull this housing out since I haven't done that yet. Shear the wire. It's my own fault. Oh. Yeah, so again, whatever those spring-loaded little things were, these things is what I'm talking about. That's what I pulled out of the sides right here with this little piece that I guess was holding it in. I'll show you that in a second. Well, they're still attached inside of here. Pretty easy to slide out. All right. So those were attached to little blocks in there. So when it's sitting there spinning, it's frictionless and it's on this bearing right here. So that's kind of the mechanism inside of there. And then it looks like these push on it as it's spinning. And again, I don't know if that's to keep it in line or what it's doing. But what I want to show you real quick is as you spin this, you see this nice mark right here. And as you kind of get over here, you see it darken and it looks like it's fried. The metal heats up, looks like a copper, which is evenly heats. So if you see it starting to scorch all on it, you know, heat it up, because then again, here it is clean and then dark again. So that's my guess either way.